Ever been interested to upload a video on YouTube, which is a digital way of storing information? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Stick with me to the end of the recording. How to upload a video on YouTube. The very first thing that you need is you need to come to youtube.com. Once you are here in youtube.com, the other thing is you need to have created your channel. In the description box, you'll find a link how to create a YouTube channel. Once this is my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Once you have your YouTube channel, this is my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials, with 241 subscribers. Now I am this is the number of videos that I have. It will show all the videos. The second thing is how to upload a video. You need to come to here, create a video post. Once you press a video post, you'll get an option here of uploading the video or going live. You click upload the video. Once you click uploading the video, this is a platform that it will load to this platform where you'll be able to select from your computer the video that you wanted to upload. Then on an upcoming video of how to customize your YouTube channel is coming. In the description link, you will find how to customize your YouTube channel. Now it's ready to select files to upload. Selecting the files to upload, you have to be very familiar with where in the computer you'll have to navigate to the computer to the place where you've stored your videos. Like mine, I normally use screencast to record my videos, like I'm using now. I'll have to scroll to where my videos are. My videos are here in the screencast marks. So today I'm uploading. These are the number of videos that I have. I need to upload one. This is my content. This is not any plagiarized content. So today I'm going to upload how to the very last one that I created. How to use Pioneer International online payment method. The video is uploading. Once the video is uploading, the next thing that we need to here we write the heading of the video, the description, and the tags. We'll be able to calculate how to use Pioneer card, and once we open, it will be loading it is uploading. It is at 0%. We'll have to select the thumbnail. We'll also select the heading of our tutorial, and also the description, the hashtags. Then we'll be able to upload. The next very thing that we need to do is write a description of the video. Like mine is about Pioneer. I vividly describe about how Pioneer works. Then I'll come even put links like I had promised, how to customize a YouTube channel. Then maybe also the link for more enquiries. If you need more enquiries, there is a way you can always get me. Once we're able to do that, we'll take it back to the other very thing that we need to do is here I've put a very firm description link. Then the next thing is hashtags. Pioneer, get paid, payment. You put suggestive keywords. These are the keywords that will be optimized by the search optimization engine. Then the other thing is the thumbnail. You need to select. I can see the video has already proceed. It's done. It's already published. So the other thing that we'll be needing to do is to customize a thumbnail. We can either use once we select this thumbnail, this is what will appear as a thumbnail. This is it. So we can always customize our own for our viewers, since as we always say that our thumbnail is quite important, because that is the first thing that our viewer will always see. Customizing my thumbnail, I normally use Paint 3D. Paint 3D, I will be able to customize my thumbnail because these the screenshot that I've taken, but I can see it has some confidential details like my names. I need to remove them and I need to customize so that it looks very attractive. This is how I use Paint 2D. Customize. I've written how to upload video on YouTube, and it's welcome to lifestyle tutorials. This is how you normally come and save us. The model I need to save it as a video. I can take different looks how to I want my thumbnail to appear. We always say thumbnail is always important. It can jump that way. I will choose my best, mhm, which I want to. Which is the best. Yeah, the thumbnail that we created with Paint 2D, I've seen the properties 10.4 MBs. So B1 for you to customize a thumbnail and put it, it needs to be less than 2 MBs. So let us change to another option. So we'll come to customize my thumbnail. I don't see these don't fit the best. Let us select the ones that we've just edited. We've saved them over here. These are the thumbnails. First, let us look at the properties. It is you have to take precaution that it has to be less than 2 MBs. 2 MBs. I can see this is 400 KB, so that suits. Let us see this one. This one, the properties it is also 400 KBs. So I would prefer selecting this one. This one we put it as the thumbnail because when we came to look at the properties of the video that was very awesome, it was 10.4. So 10.4 we cannot work with it. Let us look at the G the GIF the GIF. Let us I would prefer we select this one. This one once we select it, we will just open. So the thumbnail will change on top here. This is what is going to change once it loads. Even if you reach at this point and maybe your internet goes off and maybe Wi-Fi goes off, the draft is already saved and you will find it in YouTube better. It has it's the upgraded version. Now this is the thumbnail that we've chosen. It should be reflecting here very soon. Yeah, it has reflected. That is what we just customize. So the other thing is we've ensured we have a good heading. The hashtags are okay. The description we've put a very detailed description. This is a detailed description about the video, the pioneer, how pioneer works. We've made sure even how you can subscribe, like, share, and comment in lifestyle tutorials. My contacts, or leave all these at the same place. Then we'll go back and I think now the video is ready to upload. Let us press the publish button is ready. We publish this video now. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Yeah, so in a very few minutes the video will be online. You can how to use Pioneer International Payment. You can always, in your YouTube channel, I'm creating a video about the same. You need to link up with other social medias, a Facebook account, Twitter, and a Pinterest, and the other accounts. Then you will be able to share with them. Let us confirm whether the video uploaded. Yeah, once we go to lifestyle tutorials, I can see the video is already there, uploaded 54 seconds ago. Let us play it and see how it appears. That is how to upload a video on YouTube. On YouTube, make sure you share, like, comment on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also a video on, and also click the bell button to get more updates. This is the video that we created. It has no views. I can see one view, so we'll be the first to like. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. You're good to go.